Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to connect to a VPN server using Surfshark VPN. So in that case, you have to install the Surfshark VPN and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, you need to first of all log in into your Surfshark account, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Also make sure that you've already purchased the premium plan. Unless and until if you have not done it so, you'll not be able to connect to the Surfshark VPN. So then to begin with the procedure, when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. First of all, you can go ahead and select the location as per your need, and when you select the location, then you can go ahead and click on quick connect located right at the bottom. As you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you can see the VPN, where you can see it's working. As in my case, I've not bought any of the subscription plans, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. So that's how you can get connected to a VPN server using the Surfshark VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.